For track pocket lifting sliding door. This is the active panel. Here's the pocket. This is a 4.8 times 70 self-tapping screw. This is the top pocket. This is a 5 times 125 hexagon self-drilling screw for the aluminum upper vertical column. This cover secures the retaining buckle. This is the bottom cover. The notch piece covers the base decoratively. This is the top decorative cover. This is a 4.2 times 25 self-drilling screw for the upper decorative cover. This is an installation hole cover. This is a 4.8 times 50 self-drilling screw for the aluminum plate. It's bumper block. This is a 4.2 times 50 self-tapping screw for the upper anti-collision block. We supply matching with screws. This is the active sash handle. Side hands. Exterior clasp hands. This is the inside handle. This is the screw for the upper handle. This is a side frame for the pocket door. This is the bottom track. This is the top track. Both sides are side frames. This is the door panel. These are the aluminum plate and pocket jamb for the pocket door. These are all the things you need for installation. We're starting to install the frame. First, open the package, align each part to its label, organize them top to bottom and left to right. Next, let's start removing the dust seal and plug and snap cover from the frame. We'll install them in the final step. Do the same for the other side of the frame. Let's assemble the frame. First step, apply a layer of sealant to the edge seam of the lower sliding track. Evenly coat the seam. Align with existing mounting holes. Take the included matching screws, align with holes and install. Tighten all screws fully. Then mount the opposite upper track. You need to snap the upper sliding track into the groove of the frame. Begin installation. Align all parts properly. Then repeat the same process to secure everything with screws. Next, align the opposite frame and the sliding rails. Install the frame, and then the overall frame assembly is complete. Next step, we'll now install the reinforced pocket door hook. This reinforced hook, we can distinguish its narrow and wide sides. The wider side connects to the upper sliding rail. The narrow side on this end connects to the bottom sliding rail. Let's start the assembly now. Flip this narrow side. The narrow side is bottom. Then place your screws properly. Use the screws which we provided. Secure them. Next, align and secure the top sliding rail. This completes the assembly of the iron frame. Now, we put it in place on the wall. When we secure it to the wall, you can see all labels are on the indoor side. Next, we use a level and a tape measure to get horizontal and vertical alignment. We use the level to adjust it to be horizontal and vertical. Vertical is correct. Next, we adjust alignment on the indoor side to ensure it's perfectly horizontal and vertical. We must also align the outdoor side horizontally and vertically correctly. You also need to adjust the other side to be perfectly level and plumb. Once leveled and plumbed, use a meter stick to measure the distance between the inner and outer sides. When the measurement matches your pre-reserved size. Next step, we can start securing the frame. First, using the pre-drilled holes in the fixed frame, secure all screws with the included wood screws. After fastening all screws, align the dust strip to the screw slots and cover them. Install the dust strip as you would remove it. Place it properly. Press firmly to secure. Check all screws. All their matching slots need to be sealed with the dust strip. The frame on one side of the pocket door is now finished. Next, dust strip. We start securing the dust strip on the other side frame. Once all screws are tightened, install the dust strip in the corresponding position. We have pre-cut the dust strip into sections for this side of the lock groove. You just need to install it according to its size. Begin installing the decorative cover. The decorative cover's lower slider has a groove. It aligns with the lower track, then fit it into the installation groove on the indoor side. After finishing the installation on the right side, apply a full bead of sealant along the joint between the frame and the track to seal it properly. Seal the other side too. Once the entire frame is completed, secure the holes on the top with screws. Before installing the cover, we need to prepare our sealant. After applying the sealant all around the edge of the back cover, just press firmly and you can fit the decorative cover in place. We need to cover and fasten all installation holes with the matching caps, and that completes the fixing of the entire frame. After installation and securing of the frame, we unbox the door panels. Each door panel's outer carton is marked with its corresponding number. They are P4, P1, P2 and P3, matched to the installation drawing. We will install P4, P3, P2, then P1. Now, let's start installing P4. Use your tool to suction and hold the glass, align it with the upper slide rail, and install it at a proper tilt angle. The whole installation is done from the indoor side. By doing this, one door panel is installed. During door installation, the glass mark is inside at the bottom right. After confirming the position, we install and fix them in order. Now, let's start installing the P3 door leaf. Finally, we will install the P1 active door leaf. Now, all the door leaves are fully installed. This points up. You can refer to this mark when installing the door leaves. Once the doors are secured, peel off the protective film from the door leaf on the side close to the pocket door. After that, keep the door leaf in a closed state. Then align it properly with the pressure hook of the pocket door. Once aligned, we mount the aluminum plate. Before installing the aluminum plate, determine the top and bottom of the aluminum plate. The top side has 2 grooves, and it also has a U-shaped groove section. This side also has a notch. The top has a notch. The bottom of the U-groove does not. This is the bottom. This fits the lower track. Positions align for installation. First, align the top sliding track. Then place the lower track next. Align the screw holes and fasten the screws in place. The screws we use are pre-provided for 0.2 x 50 self-tapping screws. Tighten the screw, align with the mounting hole for correct installation, and drive screws into all the pre-reserved holes. The aluminum panel installation is now finished. Now, let's start installing the door handle. We have the interior door handle. Place it correctly, and make sure the door handle faces downward. Externally, remove the protective film. Align it to the holes. Remove the decorative cover from the interior side of the door handle. After removing it, rotate it 90 degrees to the right. Secure it with the supplied screws. The handle is secure. Put it back to original position and fasten the decorative buckle cover. You can now adjust the position of the lock point. After confirming correct setup, remove the protective film. After removing the film, you can see the pre-reserved holes at the bottom right corner. Take the included anti-collision block and align it to the matching position. Remove the back waterproof cover, fits the holes, install with the provided screws, then fit the decorative back cover into place. Using the same method, finish installing all the remaining positions. On the upper right side of the door leaf, another anti-collision block is here. Align it correctly and secure it. All anti-collision blocks have now been fully installed. After setup, test if your invisible folding handle opens and closes smoothly. Next step to install the wind blocks. The one with a groove is the bottom wind block, and the one without a groove is the top wind block. Now, install it with the screws we provided. Please remove the decorative cover before we start. Before installing the wind block, when you fit the bottom wind block, you need to place the door leaf with its handle facing down. Our door leaf is in the raised position. Align with the door's right side pre-drilled mounting holes. Align it here. Secure it with the provided screws. After installation, snap the decorative protective cover into place, and that completes the installation of the lower rear decorative cover. Before you install the windproof block on the top, you need to close the door leaf completely first. Then we will proceed with the installation. When installing, you will find we have pre-reserved screw holes. Align them correctly and fit them into place. After installation, snap the decorative cover cap onto it. Then top and bottom weather strips are now installed on the seal block. Using the same approach, when you install the bottom weather strip on the remaining door leaves, you need to install it with the concealed handle facing downward. When installing the top weather strip, you need to install it with the concealed handle facing upward. Nothing else is notable. You just follow the same procedure. After installing the wind blocks on the indoor side, you also need to install wind blocks on the outdoor side. Installation finished. These wind blocks can effectively perform their windproof function. Finally, it completes the installation.